Now to Operation Crime and Justice, determining whether the man police say shot and killed Belmont University student Jillian Ludwig is ready to go to trial.
Shaquille Taylor was in court today for the beginning of a mental competency hearing. Fox 17 News' Kelly Avellino here to summarize the more than 8 hours of testimony.
Defense attorneys and psychologists say Shaquille Taylor has an intellectual disability that prevents him from understanding much beyond basic concepts, including the court process. They say it's this lack of comprehension that should keep him from being tried.
Competency to stand trial is not were they competent to commit the crime. It's also not did they know the difference from right from wrong.
Before the Jillian Ludwig case, Taylor was charged with shooting into an occupied car. Those charges were dismissed after doctors said he operates on a kindergarten level. Months later, police say Taylor fired the bullet that killed Jillian Ludwig and then got rid of the weapon. Monday, attorneys challenged those court-appointed psychologists, asking how Taylor is able to make decisions every day and hold restaurant jobs.
I would think that most of those decisions are very simplistic. They're very concrete. They're things that you can see, you can touch, you can feel. They're not necessarily decisions about more abstract, problem-solving kinds of information.
Which would be along the lines of, after I have shot someone, how do I get out of this?
I'd have to think about that.
Jillian Ludwig's family and supporters listened from the front row, at times expressing frustration at the responses from the psychologists.
Justice for Jill!
They want Taylor to face a trial and go to prison if convicted. Now, if Taylor is found incompetent, he'll remain in a mental health facility after a new state law passed in Jillian's name now requires offenders to be committed if they're unfit for trial.
The hearing continues tomorrow when the prosecution will bring its set of witnesses. Likely several doctors who have evaluated Shaquille Taylor themselves will certainly be there for any decisions the judge may hand down. In Nashville, I'm Kelly Avellino for Fox 17 News, your Code Red station.
Jillian Ludwig's family's also filed a $50 million wrongful death lawsuit. Defendants in that case include the city of Nashville, the state of Tennessee, Belmont University, and some of the very doctors who testified in court today.